Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. We're in a renovation that's about to begin. So we've got a little bit of some people requesting, let me see a reno from start to finish. And one thing people always ask us is they say, do you do just kitchens and just bathrooms? And we say, no, we don't. We do a lot of large renovations where we completely gut the entire home, bring in all the trades and basically remodel the entire main level. So this is one of them. So it's going to be a great one to show you. And we were lucky enough, the client actually came in and took a lot of the cabinetry already down, so it's really nice and makes it a little easier for us on rip out day, and we don't have as much to contend with. And they also have the habitat for humanity coming, and they're going to be taking some of the appliances and stuff like that, so they're giving back. So it's a great idea. So what we'll do here is we're going to show you what we're going to do, and we're going to go into the living area as well. But in here we're basically gutting this entire area. So this wall is coming out, all of this wall, all these bulkheads, all of these bulkheads, all these cabinets, obviously fridges going. This door actually over here is going to become smaller. So the customer has ordered a door, but our cabinets are actually going to come out over here. There's going to be a smaller door here, so it allows us a little bit more space for the kitchen itself. Then we're doing a large island. So this area now is going to be a large island. We're putting a cooktop on it with a downdraft system, and then the wall just where the camera is going to be actually moved back as well. So into the living room, what we'll do is we'll go in here and we'll show you that as well. All right, so here we are in the living room, cameras in the dining room. So we wanted to show you this as well. So this whole area is going to come out, all the walls. It's a truss ceiling, so we're really lucky. We're not going to have to worry about support. And we're taking out all of this area too, of this wall here. So this is all going to be gone. The other thing I want to mention in here is the old homes used to have stippled ceilings, and not a lot of people like stippled ceilings anymore. One client actually recently still loves them, but we convinced him not to do stippled ceilings. But we're going to skim all of these ceilings. So when we're done, these are all going to be flat taped. They're going to be sanded smooth. All the medallions are going to come down. They're going to have a beautiful kitchen, all new hardwood, all flooring right through the whole main level into the 2 bedrooms. So the entire main level will have hardwood as well. Project will probably take about a month. I think the customer's listening right now, so we'll say 6 weeks to please her. But anyway, we're going to keep coming back here. We're going to show you the renovation and process, and next time we'll come, it'll be all ripped out. The electrical will be done, plumbing will be done, and we'll be doing the drywalling. So we'll see you then.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.